أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ولقد أرسلنا إلى من قبلك فأخذناهم بالبأساء والضراء لعلهم يتضرعون.
We sent messengers to communities before you, and we afflicted them with suffering and hardship, that they may humble themselves.
فلولا إذ جاءهم بأسنا تضرعوا ولكن قست قلوبهم وزين لهم الشيطان ما كانوا يعملون.
If only, when our calamity came upon them, they humbled themselves, but their hearts hardened, and Satan made their deeds appear good to them.
فلما نسوا ما ذكروا به فتحنا عليهم أبواب كل شيء حتى إذا فرحوا بما أوتوا أخذناهم بغتة فإذا هم مبلسون.
Then, when they disregarded what they were reminded of, we opened for them the gates of all things. Until, when they delighted in what they were given, we seized them suddenly, and at once, they were in despair.
فقطع دابر القوم الذين ظلموا والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Thus the last remnant of the people who did wrong was cut off, and praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds.